Hello, my name is Dr. George Mochocki, or Dr. George. I didn't have it, for some reason when we were in class today, I forgot to show you the links I created in Blackboard so you don't have to type these out manually. But just in case you forgot, I'm just going to walk through this again to show you how to register for your Foliotek, because next week we're going to start doing the homework. And I'm also going to talk about a little bit of the invite code, just a little. This is some information, but it's basically you got how to register. You could buy the Foliotek assignment from the passcode for the software, the access code at Harper Bookstore. You go into the Mansion 111 and you see Harper Bookstore and it says career assignment something software C. Check it. I'm going from memory. I'm a little older. I might forgot the memory. And then you could purchase it there. They'll give you a little card. It's like a lottery ticket. Not a lottery ticket, you paid for it. You basically scratch it off and it'll have what they call the registration code. And then after you, that's what you did. And you paid it, you're all set. That's step one. Or you could go online and you copy this link, or your instructor already provided you the link in Blackboard, like I have. And the reason I say your instructor, because some instructors may utilize this quick YouTube to share with their class, their student. No problem. Why reinvent the wheel? I already got it. If it helps them, they'll be fine. All right, so you have that, and now after you registered online, now the thing you have to do, and I'm going to go through this in Blackboard so you see how it works, but with the link. Once you register to buy it online, you pay and do everything else you have to do. It will send you a access code to the email you registered here. With that access code, and that's really the registration code, you need that for the next step to get into the Foliotek environment or area designated that Harper College wants you to utilize. Okay, so here's the other one. Here's this college, but now I'm going to go into my Blackboard. This is my class, and you could go into your Blackboard. Your instructor will show you how. You may have it set up. He or she may have it set up the same way or similar. You're going to click in here. All right, and now you're going to go into Foliotek assignments. Now, I just want to understand, here's where you're going to go buy it online. If you already purchased it from Harper Bookstore, you could eliminate this step. Here's the registration link we're going to go through, and here's the college. So you're going to have your registration code, and then you're going to have the college registration code. And this is the college registration code. And later on, we're going to talk about this invite code, and that's how you join the community. So when you do these two steps, when you do this step here, registering, you're into the main Harper Foliotek arena, for lack of better words. Now you want to be in Foliotek into Dr. George's classes, Management 111, 06, or 12, or your instructor, Professor Marie, or Professor or Dr. Robin, whatever, and she'll or he will give you that access code to get into their code, or invite code. Remember, registration code for you need here to get in to the software. This is the Harper registration, so you're into Harper's domain through Foliotek, and this invite code is basically for you to get into your individual class or your instructor in the right section that he or she's that you're in. Okay? All right, so to buy it online, I'm going to click on there real quickly. If it doesn't work, I always put this in here. Sometimes your antivirus or the way your computer is set up or the browser is wrong. So if it doesn't work going through Blackboard and all the way through your configuration, cut and paste this and paste it into your browser and go directly. I got it set up, so just click on this. Remember, if you bought it at Harper Bookstore, you don't need this step. And you come in here and you click on it, and it'll tell you how to pay it. MasterCard, charge. I think it's got. I don't think it takes cryptocurrency, but it does take PayPal. All right, good. And then you're in here. Now, after you buy this, it's going to say, okay, you purchased it successfully. It will send you the access code to your email that you put in here. Don't lose that first initial email. So after you sign it, this is your access. They ask you, do you want to access it now? Just wait off, because you have to put the access code. You may be in the individual one. So I bought it, purchased it. Go into your Harper email, look for that access code that will send to you, and then basically you will able to do complete the registration. Okay, so now we have that. So now I'm going to go back on here. I'm going to close this. So I registered or purchased it. Now I'm going to go to the registration link. Oops. Now I'm already registered, so I come in here just so we can do the homework. So I'm going to do it a little different. I'm going to go to Edge. Remember, because I already I've got it where my passwords are saved. Forget my passwords half the time. I'm going to just come in here in the search engine and pasted the wrong one. My error. I will come back into my thing. I got this. Yeah, I just copied it. So it's basically foliotek.com, right? Copy. Let me go back in here. I'll put it in here. All right, and then I just hit enter. And here's where it's going to take me in. It's going to talk about different schools, individual, some information. Let me see what school does. I'll take a tour if you want to find out about what it does for the school. But basically, you're going to come in here and you're going to register. When you hit the registration button, remember, you already got the passcode. Either sent to you electronically or purchased at a Harper bookstore. You're not going to go Foliotek for me because this software could be for an individual. What you purchase here, you got a good deal on it. You basically get it for, it's good for 2 years, and it's going to ask you to renew it. It's an e-portfolio to help you for employment, find jobs, do resume. You'll see it's a beautiful program that Harper has there. Well worth your money. It prepares you after you leave the internal business or whatever class you're taking, and then you have this electronic portfolio. You put in LinkedIn and other things. The instructor will work with you. It gives you badges, everything else. So you're going to come in here. You're going to register for this school. All right. So you're going to put your name in. I'm going to go through here. I'm not going to register. All right, because I got to have this to show you what you need to do. And then I'm going to use my personal email. Because I already have this Foliotek registered to Harper. Okay, I just want to show you. I'm going to register. All right, and then the passcode, you got to meet it. I think you got to have one capital, a couple of characters, some letters, and got to be 8 digits long. You know, so use a passcode you could remember. Okay, so now it's stirring. So, and then if you ever forget the passcode, you can just say forgot the passcode, and they'll send you the passcode. But make sure you get the email address right. You got the wrong email, it's hard for them to find you. Okay, so now I sign up, and I'm not a robot. And now here's what's going to do is this portfolio code associated with your school. This is the one we talked about here. Do you remember when I told you your professor will give it to you, or I give it? I have in a Blackboard already. This college. So I'm going to come in here. I'm going to put that in here, and that gives me the code. And this registration code is the code that they sent you saying that you paid, or either you scratch it off from the software card or whatever they gave you from Harper Bookstore, or the code that was sent to you electronically to the email that you submitted when you purchased this. And then you're next, and then you're all set. Okay, so I'm going to get out of here. After you're registered, you're already going to be in a program. And next time you log in, you don't need none of this. You're just going to log in here, just like I did earlier on mine. So let me just close this off. So I'm going to log in like I logged in here, and it's going to bring you into this. And your homework's going to be in here, in here, and in here. You got badges, you got career success, and there's different things you're going to do for this course. You could do it, and this is how you can be graded. So now you're into the main Foliotek. That's the first step I want you to for next week. So when you're in there, try to update your profile. Part of my class, when you click on here, you see this profile, you're going to click on here, account settings, and you come in here, and I want you to put your name and put a picture. Click. You could either take a picture here, take a snapshot. There's so many different ways you could redo this, and then you're all set. You got your image, and that's part of the registration the first week for me. Next week, all right, so then you're all set, and you're back in here. So then I have to go back to my home page. If I'm looking at my home page, next week you're going to join this class. I'm going to show you how to join this class. So you're in here, you could start doing the homework. Now, these are all the classes I have next week. Next week, you're going to come in here, and how do I, a student in George's class, as Luke, going to come in there and sign into this class? You're going to click on this class here, like this, right? And right now, when I click it, there's nothing. So when you're into your major Foliotek, you're going to go to the silhouettes, and you're going to basically go in here like this. Let me go back in here. I'm going to go back and home, get out of here. All right, so I go back in silhouettes. And join the community. And when you join the community, it's going to ask for an invite code. In my class, I already got the invite code. That'll put you from the Foliotek Harper arena environment specifically only so your classmates could see and talk to each other within the Foliotek community. All right. So where do I get this code? When you come into my course here, into Foliotek assignments, right? I've got it in here where it says invite code. Now, don't use this invite code if you're not in my class. This invite code is only for Management 111006, Fall 2020. So if you're looking at this video next semester, this is the wrong invite code, right? I'll give you a new invite code. And you'll get that invite code, and you put it in, and then you'll be able to join my community. All right, so does that make it sense? Make it easy? So remember, you first got to buy it either online or at the bookstore. You get a registration code. You come into the link, and you basically have to put this code in here, and then this college, and then the registration code that you purchase it. You put that in there, and it's going to put you into Foliotek. And then afterwards, when you're Foliotek, your instructor will give you an invite code. Not this one. Or if you're in my class, those of you who are in this class this semester, this is the invite code you'll need. All right? So I'll talk to you later, and I hope this kind of helped you to sign up. And again, I'll see you in class Tuesday. Bye. Let's see how long I got. 11 minutes. You want me to have it 7 minutes or less. I hope this helps you a little. And remember, in Blackboard, when you go in here, I'm still going Blackboard, my Foliotek. If mine sounds a little confusing, Foliotek assignments, you also have the publisher right here. It says, here's a link, Foliotek help, and help support. This is a publisher's version. Mine was geared up more for my class or for Harper with the information you need. Okay, now I'll stop it. I'm still under 12 minutes.